a beautiful violet color flowers, and it is ornamental plant. This is Plumbago auriculata, belongs to Plumbaginaceae. The plants are different species in Plumbago. So three plants we are commonly seen. This one, Plumbago indica, is a red color flowers. Plumbago zeylanica, white color, and this is violet color, Plumbago auriculata. So it is very important medicine plants for the curing the rheumatoid arthritis and cancer treatment. The plant containing many different type of phytochemical, especially the plant containing a plumbagic acid, beta testosterone. This plumbagin and plumbagic acid is very important for the cancer treatment. It is to control the cell proliferations, especially in the meiosis purpose. The middle plate is formation is control this plumbagic acid, plumbagin acid. Please subscribe more videos.